Hi, welcome to Best Review channel. Here are the top 10 Orico External Raid Enclosures of 2021. The list starts from Orico USB 3.1 GEN2 Type-C external hard drive enclosure to 9.5mm 7mm 2.5 inch. It supports most 7mm 9.5mm 2.5 inch USB 3.1 GEN2 Type-C HDD or SSD up to 4 TB max. It's featuring tool-free installation, plug-and-play and no reboot and driver needed. These features can save your time and improve your work efficiency. Check out link in description to buy this product from Amazon. Ninth one is Orico External SSD Enclosure Case, SATA to USB for 50mm SATA SSD, supports. It's high performance. Super Speed US 3.0, supports transfer rates up to 5 Gbps, and supports US transfer protocol. Check out link in description to buy this product from Amazon. You shouldn't miss this product's review. Orico USB 3.1 Gen 2 10 Gbps Type-C to SATA external hard drive. It's 10 Gbps transfer speed external hard drive enclosure with the US 3.1 Gen 2 Type-C Super Speed interface, the transfer speed up to 10 Gbps max, and comes with detachable US 3.1 Gen 2 Type-C cable, providing ultra-fast read and write speeds for the latest desktop and laptop. It's tool-free installation, it's swappable, plug-and-play, unnecessary rebooting and extra drivers. Highly efficient 12V2 power supply makes sure a stable and reliable energy supply. No additional driver needed. LED indicator reveals power and data process. Check out link in description to buy this product from Amazon. Well, here is the seventh one. Orico built-in 12W power adapter 3.5 inch tool-free portable external hard drive, enclosure USB 3.0. Its universal compatibility, Orico 3.5 drive enclosure, compatible with 2.5 and 3.5 inch SATA reversion interface HDD and SSD up to 16 TB max. The 3.5 storage case can support Windows, Mac and Linux system. Its details design, tool-free enclosure convenience you're working. LED indicator can monitoring the working status, blue light when power on, flashing red light when read data. Check out link in description to buy this product from Amazon. You should look into this product. It was surely well marketed. Orico hard drive docking station USB 3.0 to SATA transparent laptop external hard. It's transparent hard drive dock with 12 TB capacity. The 2.5 and 3.5 inch hard drive docking station supports up to 12 TB drives. SATA IE and EE features an attractive transparent cool design, 360 open type design, better heat dissipation function. It's compatible universal operating system. This SATA hard drive enclosure compatible with Windows XP, Vista, Windows 7, 8.1, 10, Linux, Mac OS 10.10 or higher. Check out link in description to buy this product from Amazon. Now we will show you the fifth product in the list. Orico SATA to USB 3.0 external hard drive lay flat docking station for 2.5. Its easy installation, tool-free design allows you to simply mount your hard drive and plug and play with the included US 3.0 cable, no drivers needed, compatible with Windows, Mac, and Linux. Check out link in description to buy this product from Amazon. Customers are king and according to them one should buy this one. Orico 2.5 inch external hard drive, enclosure SATA to USB 3.1 GEN2 Type-C aluminum portable. Its sturdy aluminum Type-C enclosure, US-C SSD enclosure made by aluminum alloy chassis, and inner ABS material with large area